Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to post photos and videos on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to post photos and videos on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to post photos and videos on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to post photos and videos on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Posting photos and videos on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will post photos and videos on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first of all, click on post icon in the bottom of this page, and then click on paper clip. And now you can select a video or a pic from your gallery. I will select a video and then click on done in the right top corner. Now enter your caption and then select your video privacy and click on post, and your video has been uploaded on Thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to post photos and videos on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.